How to see watch history on Instagram. Welcome to YouTube channel new video. In this video, I will show you how to see watch history on Instagram. Okay, at first go to your Play Store and update Instagram. Click on search option. Search for Instagram. Click here. Now Instagram is a update available. Go back and home screen. Open your Instagram app on your device. Now click on profile icon. Click on three-line option menu. Now scroll down little bit. Click on your activity. Now scroll down little bit. Click on watch history. Now see here Instagram watches history available. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.